I like moonshine whiskey.
I like homemade wine.
I don't look for greener grass.
Homegrown suits me just fine.
Welcome to my shanty.
Drop by anytime.
I bet you like my redneck paradise. Redneck paradise is a hole in the wall, kinda small, but the people are real nice.
And folks in here, they're free and clear to drink beer and dance all night.
That's right. And no one's uptight in redneck paradise. Now I might get a little tipsy.
I might be past my prime,
But pour some Jim Beam whiskey.
and I'll show you a real big time.
You don't need reservations.
Drop by anytime.
The sun is shining in redneck paradise. And the things we like don't cost a lot of money.
Good foot stomping music gets us by just fine.
Measure up our wealth and friends and family.
We're gonna